I got a separate video here. This is what was under my car, the splash guard. You guys can see it. That's the bottom right there. Everything that scrapes under. So let me get this over here. So, alright, so this is the undercarriage. That's where the bumper is. The bumper and the tip right there. That's gonna be in the front. So I added these guys right here. I forgot the names, but they're on the GDM cars that hold the, you put on the bumper and then the rubber band, and then you got the other ones. So you guys can see they're kind of scratched up. So I have made a video about how to put a cheap splash guard, and I got a lot of views on it because it helped. So I could have kept this on, but I wanted to get everything new since I'm getting a new bumper. And then you guys can see wear and tear. So this is connected to the other bottom splash guard. That's where you gotta do the oil change. So you got another plastic, which is let me see, you guys see it right there. That right there, where that right there, that's where the other one goes. So they both link up, and then you screw it through here. You guys can see there's nothing here is broken. So usually a hole. I'll show you guys a new one, but here's the old one. Let me get the new one. So it's kind of hard to find this part. I went to the dealership. I got it from there because online I couldn't really find one for an SRT. It was more for like a V6 or an RT, and then SRTs are different on the models of 2011 through 2014. Even they sell the Pursuit one for like the cop cars, but I wasn't sure it's gonna fit because they got a push bar. But let me get the new one. Alrighty guys, so this is the new one. You guys can see the difference. Dirty, scratched, new. You can see the only thing I didn't like is they gave me this whole part without a little metal plastic here, so I'm gonna take it off my old one. Luckily I have that. I don't know if I'm gonna throw this away. I might throw it away. I don't know. But I'm gonna take one of these that are from the old one over here. But you guys can see the new one, not scratched up, new. You guys can see that there goes the hole. Now I can attach it with the other splash guard. No issues. That holds it there. You guys can see it's beat up from over there. Let me turn it around. So that's, you guys can see. I guess Revolution part. I don't know if you guys. It has the part number there, so you guys need that, made in the US. Hope that helps somehow. But yeah, brand new. That's gonna go on there. Gonna put the bumper first, then I'm gonna put this. Because if I put this first, it's just gonna dangle there. But yeah, I'm gonna get everything back in the car now. The only thing I need is fog lights. Brand new fog lights. I can match my LEDs. I gotta get some 6000K. Hook them up. That's about it, guys. Oh, I gotta change these. I got some new ones. This is gonna be my third time I'm changing them because they're just tend to break when you pull them out every time you take out your bumper. So just know that.